23 base 4 is equal to 102 base 3, and 22 base 5 is greater than 102 base 3. The question is, why? The reason is simple, because 23 base 4 is simply 11, and 102 base 3 is also 11. Therefore, 11 is equal to 11. 22 base 5 is 12, and 102 base 3 is 11. Therefore, 12 is greater than 11. But wait, we are now coming to study ordering of numbers written in non-decimal base. Don't rush. Hello students, welcome. Today's lesson is on ordering of numbers written in non-decimal base. By the end of this lesson, students should be able to order at least one example of numbers written in non-decimal base. When you talk about order, it is simply arranging numbers in an ascending or descending order of magnitude. And when you talk about the word ascending, it is simply arranging or counting objects starting from the smallest to the largest or the biggest. The same thing applies to descending. When you talk about descending means arranging numbers or counting objects starting from the biggest down to the smallest. That is the difference between ascending and descending at this moment. Before we can order, we must first compare. And comparison goes with less than, greater than, or equal to. In most cases, you could see less or equal to, or greater or equal to. Before you understand the topic very well, let us consider the following examples. Example 1. Arrange the following in ascending order of magnitude. That is 103 base 4, 1011 base 2, and 43 base 5. All this is trying to say is that we should arrange them from smallest to biggest. But at this juncture, we may not know that whether 103 base 4 is greater or less than 1011 base 2. We cannot know. We can never justify whether this 1011 base 2 is greater than 43 base 5. The only thing that we're supposed to do at this juncture is that we should first change all of the respective bases to base 10 numerals, that is to decimal bases. Now, to do so, let us first start from 103 base 4. We are now coming to convert 103 base 4 to base 10 numeral, and this could be done using the expansion approach. That is 103 base 4 is equal to, first we write the powers here, and this will go with like 1 times 4 power 2 plus 0 times 4 power 1 plus 3 times 4 power 0. This 4, this 4, this 4. The 4 that we see here and here are the base that we are dealing with at this juncture. So now, we start with the simplification. And this go by 1 times 4 power 2 is 16. That is 4 times 4. Plus 0 times 4 power 1 is the same 4. Plus 3 times 4 power 0. That is the law of indices says that in other words the power 0 is 1. So 4 power 0 is 1. We continue simplification. 1 times 16 will give us the same 16 plus any number times 0 is 0 plus 3 times 1 will give us 3. Now 16 plus 0 plus 3 will give us 19. Now immediately we change 103 base 4 to base 10. We got 19 in base 10. Now let us continue to change 1011 base 2 to base 10 using the same approach. 1011 base 2 is equal to, we give them powers. Now 1 times 2, the 2 here is the base we are dealing with, the base, that is the 2. So 2 power 3 plus 0 times 2 power 2 plus 1 times 2 power 1 plus 1 times 2 power 0. So we continue to simplify and it will go like 1 times 2 power 3 will give us 8 plus 0 times 4 plus 1 times 2 plus 1 times 1. We continue to simplify. 1 times 8 will give us the same 8 plus any number times 0 will give us 0 plus 2 plus 1. So together, if we find the sum of these numbers, we will get 11. It implies that for us to change 1011 in base 2 to base 10, we got 11. Now let us continue changing 43 in base 5 to base 10 numeral. 43 base 5 is equal to 4 times 5 4 times 5 power 1 plus 3 times 5 power 0. We continue to expand. 4 times 5 plus 3 times 1. This will give us 20 plus 3. Together we got 23. So after you converted 43 in base 5 to base 10, you got 23. But remember, the question is we should arrange the following in ascending. And this ascending means from small to big. Now, we can now conclude by saying that, therefore, before we can even order, first we need to compare. And comparison will go like 23 is greater than 19. And 19 is also greater than 11. Now, we are talking about ascending. So let's reverse the process that I just said. 11 is less than 19. And 19 is also less than 23. So we can conclude at this moment that 11 is less than 19. And 19, both 11 and 19 are also less than 23. But if you write it this way, we have not concluded, we have not answered the question, because the main question said we should arrange the following in ascending, not to write them in either greater or less than, not. So if we write it this way, we are not done until we give our final conclusion. And the final conclusion goes like hence, the 11 here is equivalent to 1011 base 2. So we can say hence 1011 base 2, comma. Then 19 is equivalent to 103 base 4. 103, my 3. It looked like it did not it did not enjoy coffee today. That is why. The 3 did not enjoy coffee. Anyway, that was just by the way. So 103 base 4. Then I say, and the 23 is equivalent to 43 base 5. So 43 base 5 have been arranged in ascending order of magnitude. That is it. So doing this, we have successfully been able to arrange them in ascending order of magnitude. Without wasting much of the time, let us quickly move on to example 2. Now, for example 2, let us write the solution. For the sake of time, I have already solved some of them to a particular level because we already know from the example 1 that we just done. Because what I just did is to just convert all the numbers in their respective bases to base 10 numerals, as we know already. So let me quickly brush through the solution, then from there we continue. Now 230 base 5 to base 10, we just did the expansion and multiplication was done for those in brackets here, just as we did for this section. And I hope we know if we trace from the example. Now, to continue, remember the question is saying that arrange the following in descending order of magnitude. It means that we are going to arrange from highest to lowest. Now, before we can order, we need to first compare, and for comparison we could use either less than, greater than, equal to. In most cases we can use less or equal to, or greater than or equal to. Now, to compare, we could say that 128 is greater, since we are dealing with descending order. 128 is greater, so therefore 128, the 8, they refuse to enjoy tea this morning. That is why I've written it that way. Anyway, that was just by the way. So 128 has been written, and it is greater than 65. And 65 is also greater than 26. Another way you can say, hence, to order them, remember, for comparison we use less than or equal, greater than. But for ordering, we just use comma to separate them. So to order 128 is equivalent to 332 base 6. Now 332 base 6. We use comma. Then 65 is equivalent to 230. 230 base 5. Then you can say, and the one with the lowest number is 26. 26 is equivalent to 2202 base 2. Then you can say arranged in descending order of magnitude. So that is the solution at this moment. Now we have dealt with the two examples. Example 1, example 2. The first example is under ascending order, and second one is on descending order. For the sake of time, I'll pause here. If you want to solve more example, then you can try your hands on the assignment here. The assignment 1 goes with arrange the following in ascending order of magnitude: 725 base 6, 10011 base 2, 24245 base 8. Then assignment 2 goes with arrange the following in descending order of magnitude: 2801 base 3, 371 base 7, 4510 base 8. If you want to submit this assignment and to learn more, visit the link I have provided in the description down below. It is a WhatsApp group created for all students all over the world to study together. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing and clicking on the bell icon to get notified anytime I release new videos similar to this one. Like this video and share the video to other people to also watch and learn. Thank you very much for paying attention for this video. May God richly bless you. I am still Dennis. Tuto tuto is my jargon. Thank you and have a blessed day.